Hello everyone. Here I am Noshrin Arawan. Welcome back once again to my YouTube channel Educational Support. So friends, please like, share, subscribe and press bell icon to get next video. Today I would like to say tips and tricks on how to prepare or how to study for any entrance exam in first attempt. This video details on how to crack exam and a study plan. So let's get started. Life is an endless journey between perception and reality. It is a never-ending learning process. Knowledge is like glue that sticks information as well as learning together. When we have prior knowledge about a topic, we understand it better. It plays an important role in students' lives. But if they don't have related knowledge, they face difficulties in understanding the text. Here, I am presenting which types of problems students face during study. So, the common study problems are anxiety, stress, and depression. So, anxiety is a feeling of nervousness that typically occurs in the absence of an imminent threat. So, what are the causes of anxiety? The causes of anxiety are feel pressure, low confidence level, and fear of failure. So, here is the solution or how to deal with anxiety. The solutions are revision. First, you take a notebook and write all important information and then revise it, because revision is the key word to success. Next is confidence. For each subject, there is a unique way of dealing with it. You have to focus equally at all the subjects. So be confident. All is well. Don't downgrade your aim. Once decided, then fix it and keep working hard to achieve it. So stay calm and stay focused. So all is well. So what is stress? Stress is a feeling of emotional or physical tension. So what are the causes of stress? The main causes of stress are memory problems, inability to concentrate, and last one is constant worrying. So, here is the solution. The solutions are enjoy finding solutions to problems. That means to problems and treat it as an interesting opportunity to learn. Develop new skills can turn potentially stressful situations around and into positive events. Taking personal time. Taking personal time that will help to keep stress levels at bay. We recharge our batteries and spend time having fun and establish a goal-life balance. Next is allow friends. So, allow friends to help by sharing stressful problems. We obtain support from those close to friends. They may listen in a sympathetic way and advise. So what is depression? Depression is a common and serious medical illness that negatively affects how you feel, the way you think, and how you act. So, the common symptoms that can vary from mild to severe and can include reduced interest, change in appetite, and last one is sleep too much or too little. So the solution is think is the most effective way. Finding things that make you feel good, challenge negative thinking, and last one is support your health. So, what is the most effective way to study? Finding the best way to study is an ongoing process. You should be constantly improving your study skills to better understand what works and what does not. So here is the secret to studying effectively that will help your every test. So number one is make a study schedule or plan. When making a study schedule, think about the types of questions that will be on the test and the topics that will be covered, so you will know what you should focus on. Ask questions if you don't understand. Raise your hand and ask questions if you don't understand something, and if you don't comfortable, then asking questions. Next one is make sure notes are complete. Writing clear and complete notes in a class will help you process the information you are learning. Talk to friends or the teacher if you have missed a class to ensure your notes are incomplete, because these notes can be revised before a test. So plan attention or pay attention in class. It's important because it's important to concentrate and avoid distractions when the teacher is speaking. This will really help make sure to understand what is being taught in a class. Revise notes from class every evening. Revising notes helps move material learned from short-term memory to long-term memory, which will help next time you have a big test. Designate a study area. The best way spot is one that is quiet and low traffic area. Make sure that there is a clear workspace to study and write on. Next is simplify study notes. Create a visual stage like charts, underline or highlight keywords, mind maps that will really help you remember the better. I would like to say at the end of my session, if you want to be happy, don't worry about the past or future. Focus on your present condition to live in the present. So just make the best of the present, and there is nothing to be afraid of in the future. With your friends, and if you want more videos, then subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.